Here's a quick review. And how do you factor when we have four terms? By grouping them together. Let's do it together. Write this down, press pause, and then we'll factor it together. So we're going to look at the first two terms only. And then we're going to take the least x, which is x squared, and we're going to factor it out. Then we're going to divide. And when we divide with algebra, we are subtracting the exponents. And again, when I subtract the exponents, there are no x's. Look at the next two terms. What number goes into 2 and what number goes into 6 evenly? What's their shared number? That's the greatest common factor. Then divide. Now notice how these parentheses match. So take that matching parentheses in front, and then what's in front and what's in front, they go together, and it's x squared plus 2, and you factored it. All right, try the next example. Write it down first, press pause, and then together. So look at the first two. The least x is x squared. Divide, and it's x plus 4. Look at the last two terms. Notice how it starts with a negative. That's your indicator to know it's going to be negative. And 5 goes into both. And then when you divide a negative divided by a negative, the answer is going to be positive when you do the dividing. Notice again they match. And we have x plus 4 and then x squared subtract 5. Done. All right, one more, and then that's it. So write down number 3. So write it down, press pause, do our best. Look at the first two terms. Now the least x is x squared, but this one has a number in front and a second number. Is there a number that goes into both evenly? And there is, which is 3. So that's why we have a 3x squared. And then when I divide, I have 1x. And then when I divide again, I have 5. Notice the x squares become 0. And then 3 take away 2 is 1x. All right, look at the last two. So we're looking at 2 and 10. What number goes into both evenly? And then once you find that, that's called the greatest common factor, you divide, and you're left with x plus 5. Notice how these match. So that matching factor and 3x squared plus 2, and you did it. All right, good luck on the quiz. Mr. G Math, over now.